Guys, forget about Tokyo for a second. Kobe is the best place you should think about for a next home. Why? You will find out in this video. But first, let's talk about Oak House. Many of you only know that Oak House has a lot of share houses, but we actually have apartment options as well. With Oak House, you don't need a Japanese guarantor. The contracts are all in English and can be finished online. And the moving cost is much lower than normal apartment. So whether you're a student, professional, or digital nomad, this setup saves you both money and headaches. Let's back to Kobe. Kobe is located in Kansai area, and I know everything is about location. So today, I will show you how fantastic this area is. First things first, the train station. It's only a 5-minute walk from the house we're gonna see today to the closest station, Hanokuma Station. From there, it just is 3 minutes to the heart of Kobe, Sanomiya Station. You can find world-famous Kobe beef, local bars, restaurants, and drugstores. Anything you want is here. Kobe is a port city, so since ancient times, many foreigners have lived here. You can find European-style buildings just like this one. Starbucks Coffee Kobe Kitano Ichinkan Store. It's famous not only with locals but also with tourists. If you're Chinese or just crazy about Chinese food, Chinatown is really close to the house too. Only a 9-minute walk and you're there. Kobe's Chinatown, known as Nankin-machi, is one of the 3 major Chinatowns in Japan, famous for its street food like pork buns, dumpling, and fried spring rolls. With the colorful gates and lanterns, it feels like a festival, especially during the lunar year. Now let's see if the area around here is good for daily life or not. You might wonder where the convenience store or grocery store is. Don't worry, everything is within a 10-minute walk. What surprised me is that you can even find a Japanese onsen hot spring nearby, perfect for a relaxation. Anyway, there are a lot of interesting places around here. I'll let you explore them yourself once you move in. Now for the most important part, the apartment itself. We are here on the 10th floor of today's room tour. There are several room types here. You can find pictures on our website. Just search for Charma Life Motomachi to find it. Today we're looking at room 1003. The price changes based on the size, but for this room, the monthly rent is 120k Japanese yen, and the utility fee is 22,000 Japanese yen. And yes, you can pay everything online with a credit card. If you need any help, there is a help center on the Oak House website. Just send us a message and the staff or house manager will help you. Let's back to the room. So in this room, you have a kitchen, a unit bath, the main living space. The room is actually not bad. Enough storage for your belongings and enough space for single person's daily life. Open the window and you can see the view. Of course, Wi-Fi is free to use. If you are looking for events and want to make friends, Oak House totally supports that too. We hold events regularly where you can meet the other foreigners and learn Japanese from locals. Download the Oak House app and start looking for events near you. That's it for today's house tour. If you want to move to Kobe instead of Tokyo, this is a great place for a fresh start. It's easy to rent and very foreigner-friendly. Check the link in the description and don't forget to follow for more apartment and share house updates. See you next time!